Columbia Public Schools spent this morning cleaning up their administration building after a pipe burst yesterday.
We told you last night a sprinkler pipe broke at the CPS administration building on Worley Street. Today, I spoke with the water restoration company who helped with the cleanup and got an update from CPS.
There's a lot of area that are affected over there.
Neville and Sons water damage restoration was called to the CPS administration building at 3:30 yesterday afternoon for a busted sprinkler line. Neville said crews didn't leave until about 10:30 last night after having to get more fans from a partner company.
They came up last night and brought us 144 fans and 40 dehumidifiers, and we put all of those in at that building last night.
From what he saw, Neville said it looks like a pipe burst on the upper level in the office space and water seeped through to the lower level.
Downstairs looked like it was kind of raining everywhere.
He said while the flooring will likely be okay, the walls will take longer to dry and lots of ceiling tiles have fallen down.
When the sprinkler breaks above that, they're like cardboard and they just come crashing down and they make quite a bit of mess.
CPS spokesperson Michelle Baumstark told me in an email there aren't many details to share today. She says they spent today working to repair and clean up the building, and once that's done, they'll begin to assess the damage. She said, quote, "Our building is a two-story building. Both floors of one wing of the building are impacted. We will be working on plans for employee work areas in the building that are impacted. That information will be communicated to employees directly impacted by the incident," end quote. Neville says his crews will likely be out there the next few days with hopes to have the building dried by next Monday. CPS says employees will be able to get into the area tomorrow to determine what might have been damaged in that pipe burst. Baumstark did not respond to my request to view the inside of the building today.